In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert theme fonts effects in Excel. By the end, you'll know how to switch your workbook to a polished, coordinated font set that keeps headings and body text consistent everywhere. First, make sure your workbook is open and look to the ribbon at the top of Excel. Head over to the Page Layout tab. This is the home of Excel's theme controls, and it's where you can quickly change the overall look of your file without hunting through individual cells or styles. Next, click the Fonts button in the Themes group. This opens a menu of built-in theme font pairs. Each option shows two names side by side, one for headings and one for body. Think of the heading font as what you'll see in titles, headers, and chart labels, and the body font as the everyday reading text in your cells. As you browse the list, Excel will show a live preview across your workbook, so you can immediately see how each pair affects your sheets before you commit. Now, select the font set that best matches your document's purpose and tone. The moment you choose it, Excel applies that pair across the workbook to any content that uses theme-based formatting. This is great for keeping reports, dashboards, and charts visually consistent. Headers become uniform, labels look aligned, and your basic text is easier to read. If you change your mind, you can pick another set from the same menu, and Excel will update everything again in one move. A few helpful notes as you decide. Theme fonts are part of Excel's broader theme system, which is designed for consistency. Choosing a built-in pair ensures your workbook looks professional on different computers because these sets are selected with broad compatibility in mind. If your organization has a preferred style, look for a pair that closely matches it. For readability, consider classic combinations where headings are distinctive and body text is clean and neutral. You may notice that some cells don't change. That usually means those cells were manually assigned a specific font rather than using theme-based formatting. Even so, you'll still gain consistency across headings, charts, and most default text. To recap, go to Page Layout, open Fonts, and select the theme font pair you like. It's a fast, reliable way to refresh the look of your workbook and make everything feel cohesive in just a couple of clicks. That's it. With theme fonts in place, your Excel files will look cleaner, more consistent, and easier to read, without you having to format each area by hand.